All right, guys. It's getting dark. It's probably close to 7. Quick recap. Today, whatever date it is, it says Monday. I believe it's the 19th of October, 2025. I removed all the VarroxSan off of these and replaced the treatment with Formic Acid, 2 strips, a little bit of Pro Winter feed. Same thing here. The difference between these two is this one's a honey super. This one is 3 deep boxes. It had not 12 strips, but it had 4 per the bottom 2 boxes, 4 strips of the VarroxSan and 2 on top. I put a little bit of Pro Winter feed between the bottom boxes and between the top boxes. Just a little bit, just because it's a bigger hive. I did switch some frames around here on the bottom where earlier in the season I checkerboarded frames with comb, then frames of just foundation and frames of comb toward the middle like that. But outside of that, well, I put all the frames with just foundation up toward the outsides, and pulled all the ones with just comb on the inside. That way all the resources would be a little bit more compact. I need to come back and move all those frames with just comb. Had not got to these two. I've already treated those about a week ago. It's time for those Formic strips to come off, but they don't have to be off anytime real quick. I mean, 7 days or 7 to 10 days. So I'm not in a hurry to get those off. I've left them on all winter long. I've done my research. It's okay to leave them on. My only issue is that it kind of interrupts the brood cluster a little bit, or the cluster a little bit, if you got them between the deeps. But outside of that, and let's see if a time-lapse video. Oh yeah, that should look nice. Look how, I don't know if you can see through my my glasses through the veil and all that stuff, but that's gonna look nice. This I like it. This is one of my favorite places to do time-lapse. This and the cow pasture. I'm gonna go ahead and stop it. I don't want to forget my phone out here. I've seen lightning striking over there in the past, just north. All that goldenrod going to sleep here pretty soon. These bees got to make the most of it. I should have